Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the document and jumping straight into the header or footer. Double-click the top or bottom margin to edit. Once inside, make sure you can see the header and footer design tab so you can check key options like different first page and link to previous. Next, insert a page number. Insert page number, pick a consistent position, and choose a simple format. This places the page field where Word will display numbers automatically. Once done, reveal formatting marks so you can see section breaks and manual page breaks. Home show /hide exposes those invisible dividers. If you find multiple sections, go to each header/footer and turn off link to previous where numbering needs to change, because that setting forces one sequence across sections. Then use page number format page numbers to set start, at, or continue from previous. You finish by refreshing everything. Press Ctrl+, and then F9 to update all fields so new page numbers appear. Make sure you remove any manually typed numerals in footers or headers. Manual text conflicts with the page field. Save and preview in print layout to confirm. If numbers still misbehave, inspect section properties for odd starts and reapply link to previous selectively, or delete stray section breaks. Those are the usual culprits, and fixing them typically restores correct numbering.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.